Hello, friends. Welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's shake the pulse of the stock market. So, I'm again here with the stock market update, index level update, and all the global scenario happening around. And I will discuss the Nifty 50 levels also for next week. So, to know the Nifty 50 levels and all the news about the global scenario, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index update and stock market update. So let's start the video. I will discuss what all happening in the global scenario as important thing like Trump tariff and the trade tariff war is happening around and in detail, and then I will go to the chart and I will discuss the Nifty 50 level. And yes, for the Nifty bank level, I will make the video separately, and you should also check that video also for the Nifty bank level that I will discuss separately. So, in this video, I will discuss the global scenario and the Nifty 50 levels. So, let's start first with the Trump tariff, which is happening and which is affecting the stock market is very badly, very sadly. What is happening? What all happening last week? Actually, I could not make the video in last week, so I have to I have to discuss in detail. So please give your attention on this important news. I know you might be going through all these news also. So let me give some important information and data for regarding this Trump tariff. So US, first of all, earlier in last week, the US means White House means Trump has clarified that the tariff on India is now at 26%. He has imposed 26% revised, and earlier it was, I guess, 27%. And so now this 26% tariff is on India, already imposed from I guess 2nd April. Yeah, 2nd April. And uh, he has exempted some important sector that was a pharma sector and semiconductor sector, but these two were exempted earlier, and the tariff imposed on the auto sector and the metal, steel, aluminum, all that. Okay, so it was exempted earlier, but last, I'm telling you the latest news in last this Friday, the new news came that the Trump has said that now he is going to impose the tariff on pharma sector also. All in all, if the conclusion is that if India is exporting some goods products to US, so US will impose the tariff of 26%. That will be imposed on India's product. So India को 26% का tariff पे करना पड़ेगा. This is the thing is going to happen on export, and yet you should know that India is export is in surplus in export to US. Yes, India is exporting more than it is importing from the US. So this was 26% tariff India has to pay to the US on their export. And same thing earlier, it was uh, uh, Trump has imposed the tariff on the I think all the country like 180, 160 country. He has imposed these tariffs not only on India, but yes, everywhere this is happening. This tariff war. So this happened 26%, and there was no pharma sector and semiconductor sector. But now he has yesterday only said that no, he is going to impose on tariff on pharma also, and it may be even more than you all can expect. This is the only कह सकते हैं we, it is a small threat also. So because of this, on Friday, the pharma stocks were just falling down more than 7-8%. All the pharma stock was were crying only. So this happened in pharma sector also. So you have to be careful with your pharma stock also, because now it has gone in downside. Earlier it was happy and it was green on Thursday. So this was important scenario for the tariff, Trump tariff. What happened next? Then China announced the extra tariff of 34% on the all goods from the US, starting from April 10th. This is the news came last Friday, means yesterday only, last Friday, that China announced the 34% tariff. Earlier, US has already imposed the 34% tariff on China. Now, China is imposing the 34% tariff on all the goods from the US starting from April 10th से start हो रहा है. Then US का is going to start from 9th April. So one day is given to US, and now 10th April China will impose the 34% tariff. Earlier it was happening like geopolitical situation like US and Ukraine war and all that was happening. Now these trade wars started after these effect, miss China effect, and before, even day before that, on Thursday and Friday, the US market was drastically down. That I will discuss in detail about the US market and the INR, USD INR, and FIS selling. All I will share, I will discuss in next video of Nifty Bank Nifty video, which I am going to post tomorrow. So now I'm going to discuss the chart of Nifty 50 chart, and will show you what all happening since last week. And please, I have drawn lot of line. You have to understand these lines value, because it is very important. Then you will come to know how to analyze the chart. And in my, you can see the chart in your screen, that this line, these line I have kept drawing, and I have kept repeating always that this level, which is 23,800, is the very important, is to make and break level hai ye, to go, to take the Nifty 50 to the uptrend, to the bull market. But still, till now, it has not happened. It has not broken this resistance level. And from exactly here, you can see, and you can check my video also. I have always talked about this level 23,800 is very important for me to take Nifty to the uptrend. And and see here, again it has taken resistance, and from here it has started falling. The main threat was from the US tariff, and because of that it has started falling. Till till here it has given a very very good move from the Nifty 50. And from here, what happened, this 200 EMA, I have drawn these two line is 20 EMA, and this is 200 EMA. So this 200 EMA was very important, which has been broken here on this day, 24th March. But from here, 23,800 say, it has started going here. Earlier it was even taking support here, but it could not sustain, and from here it went down. Even 2 3 days also, it has taken the 20 EMA support. This blue line is 20 EMA. Okay. And this is 200 EMA, which is 200 exponential moving average. So this both moving average has been broken. Even last Friday it was horrible, and we can see more than 300 point the Nifty was on. It was opened at 23,200 around, went to the low of 22,900, and 22,000, even 850, I can say. Yes, 22,850 tak bhi it has reached, touched, and then uh, closed also below that, means below 22,900. So this level also has been broken. And the point जो कि लो से अगर we can check 22,850 to 23,200, means around 2 300 point, it is the Nifty 50 was down. And you can see the candle also, how big this is candle, and showing a very very, means concern about the downtrend. And we can say this important, I have drawn this line, you can see here, this line from all time high to this trend line I have drawn. Please see this line. यही एक इसका again it will be a good important support here, we can say, which is 22,800 around. If I take the round figure, 22,800 के आसपास it should take support in my opinion. But if 22,800, which is very important, been broken, then the next support can be 22,600. But in this week, for this week, I'm not going beyond the 22,800, but I'm just telling you the level. If 22,800 has been broken, the 22,600 will be the next in the card. But still, I'm hoping for this support. Nifty 50 should take a good support here, and should take reversal, or should take pullback from here. So this line you can see, yeah, this is also 22,800, and this line you can see, the earlier it has taken support, it is also 22,800. That's why I'm taking this support as a very very important. Yes, there, here it is a gap up opening, which has been even filled also last Friday. You can see this candle has filled this gap also. So I am hoping that from here it should take reversal. But still we can only predict, we can only hope. The market kya karta hai, that it will show you from Monday. You have to watch this level. And here on the resistance level, I told already 23,800, which is very very far away for now. I'm not going to this level, but just I'm uh, uh, drawing this line to show you that this resistance would be very important. But now the important resistance will be only 23,400, which is 200 EMA also. So now I can go to the conclusion of that what can be a Nifty 50 level for next week. So Nifty 50 level for next week can be support 22,800, and then 22,600. Nifty 50 resistance can be 23,400. एंड यस, जो मैंने एक दो लेवल बताए हैं, एक ये 23,100 विल बी ऑल्सो अ वेरी गुड रेजिस्टेंस. नाउ वी हैव टू सी 23,100 तोड़ने के बाद ही इट विल गो टू द 22,000 23,400. So please keep these level in your mind, keep note down these level which I have discussed. Once again, Nifty 50 support 22,800, and resistance 23,400. So this was I wanted to discuss all these news informations and Nifty 50 levels. I will come up with the Nifty Bank levels also in next video. And like and share for the others also, and subscribe the channel for these kind of regular update of the stock market, and stock market news and the index levels. Signing off.